Bow window installation in Slidell is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality, and bow windows Slidell are especially valued for their elegant design. Our Slidell custom window services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows and double-glazed windows, to ensure your home is both beautiful and efficient. With our expertise in window frame replacement and window seal installation, we guarantee a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient windows in Slidell are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort, particularly when paired with bow windows Slidell. Our Slidell window frame experts specialize in installing insulated window units and providing window energy audits to help you choose the best options for your home. We also offer window caulking services and window weatherproofing to ensure maximum efficiency and protection against the elements. Custom window designs are a great way to personalize your home in Slidell, and bow windows Slidell offer timeless visual appeal. Our window style consultation services help you select the perfect design, whether you're interested in bow windows or other unique styles. We provide window trim installation and window pane replacement to complete the look and ensure a perfect fit. Window glass replacement in Slidell is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows, including bow windows Slidell. Our team is skilled in window sash installation and window hardware upgrades, ensuring your windows function smoothly and look great. We also offer window screen installation and window tinting options for added convenience and style. Insulated window units in Slidell provide excellent noise reduction and UV protection, making bow windows Slidell a smart choice for any homeowner. Our window noise reduction Slidell services ensure a peaceful indoor environment, while our window UV protection options help preserve your furnishings and flooring. We also offer window security features for added peace of mind. Window maintenance services in Slidell are essential for keeping bow windows Slidell in top condition. Our team provides comprehensive window leak installation and window condensation solutions to address issues promptly. With our window warranty services, you can rest assured that your investment is protected for years to come. Window weatherproofing in Slidell is vital for protecting your home from harsh conditions, especially around bow windows Slidell. Our window caulking services Slidell and window seal installation Slidell ensure your windows are properly sealed and insulated. We also offer window energy audit Slidell services to help maximize energy efficiency. Window style consultation Slidell services are perfect for homeowners looking to refresh their home's appearance, including upgrades to bow windows Slidell. Our experts guide you through selecting the right window designs, from bow windows to custom styles. We provide window trim installation Slidell and window pane replacement Slidell for a flawless finish. Window leak installation Slidell is a critical service for preventing water damage around bow windows Slidell. Our team is experienced in window sash installation Slidell and window hardware upgrades Slidell, ensuring your windows are both functional and stylish. We also offer window screen installation Slidell and window tinting options Slidell for added convenience. For top-notch bow window installation in Slidell, bow windows Slidell are best handled by our expert services. Our team specializes in custom window designs and energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home looks stunning while reducing energy costs. With our Slidell custom window services, enjoy the perfect balance of style and performance. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the integrity of bow windows Slidell. Our Slidell window frame experts provide comprehensive window maintenance services, including window sash installation and window trim installation. Whether you need window pane replacement or window glass replacement in Slidell, we deliver reliable solutions. Double-glazed windows in Slidell are a popular choice for enhanced insulation and noise reduction, especially for bow windows Slidell. Our insulated window units Slidell services ensure year-round comfort. With window weatherproofing and window caulking services, your home remains protected from the elements. Window seal installation and window leak installation in Slidell are essential for preventing drafts and moisture issues in bow windows Slidell. Our window condensation solutions and window energy audit services help identify and resolve performance concerns. Trust our Slidell window seal installation experts to keep your home efficient. Upgrade your windows with window hardware upgrades and window security features designed for bow windows Slidell. Our window style consultation Slidell services help you choose the best solutions, including window tinting options and window UV protection. Enhance both security and aesthetics with our comprehensive services. For window screen installation and window noise reduction in Slidell, our team provides premium solutions for bow windows Slidell. Our window warranty services offer added assurance, ensuring your investment is protected. With Slidell window screen installation, enjoy fresh air without unwanted pests. Window caulking services Slidell and window weatherproofing are vital for maintaining bow windows Slidell efficiency. Our Slidell window maintenance services include inspections and timely installations, ensuring lasting performance. Trust our experts for dependable window care in Slidell. Bow window replacement Slidell services make bow windows Slidell a beautiful and functional upgrade for any home. Our Slidell window pane replacement and window glass replacement Slidell services ensure durability and style. With our expertise, enjoy energy-efficient windows Slidell built to last. Window tinting options and window UV protection in Slidell enhance privacy and comfort for homes with bow windows Slidell. Our window energy audit Slidell services identify efficiency improvements, keeping your home energy smart. Choose our Slidell window tinting options for added protection and style. For window style consultation Slidell, our experts offer tailored recommendations for bow windows Slidell and beyond. Our Slidell window weatherproofing and window leak installation services ensure your windows are ready for any weather. Trust our team for complete window solutions in Slidell.